crate is in, vehicles responding. Vehicles recovering very nicely from the liftoff transients.
August 4th, 2007 at 5:26 a.m. This Delta II rocket blasts off from Cape Canaveral. In its nose cone is NASA's first robotic Mars scout, the Phoenix lander.
At this point, we have a strong signal from Phoenix via Odyssey.
At NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Pasadena, California, engineers monitor the progress of the $500 million mission.
All stations, we have confirmed crew stage separation and UHF signal acquisition via Odyssey. Atmospheric entry on my mark. 3, 2, 1, mark.
The new generation lander enters the final phase of its 400 million-mile journey to Mars.
1 minute since LOS, standing by for signal reacquisition.
Phoenix will search the Arctic plains of Mars for the building blocks of life, including carbon, nitrogen, and most importantly, water.
Touchdown detected. Landing in sequence initiated.
Phoenix intends to prove that life on Mars is, or was, possible. If it does, then life on Earth is not unique. This is a test simulation. But this afternoon, the team at JPL did this for real. Today, Phoenix entered the atmosphere of Mars.
Primary objective of Phoenix is to explore the Martian Arctic and to determine whether or not conditions for life are there today or existed in the past.
If Phoenix finds what it's looking for, it will change our understanding of the solar system. If there's life on another world, it could mean that the universe is teeming with it, that the aliens of our science fiction could be a reality. Phoenix might even find them. But finding the signs of life on a planet millions of miles from home is an incredibly difficult challenge. The lander hasn't been designed to find life directly. It's been built to find the necessary ingredient for it: water. Chris McKay is a planetary scientist at NASA's Ames Research Center.
When we look at life on Earth, we see an enormous diversity. Organisms that do all sorts of different chemistry, live in all sorts of different environments, but the one thing that all organisms on Earth have in common is a requirement for liquid water. So naturally, when we look for life elsewhere, we start first by looking for environments that had liquid water.